Hello everyone, welcome to our showroom. This is Dennis. Today, I will introduce you our products and our company. We are China top 10 home appliance manufacturer. Our main products covers the refrigerator, split air conditioner, chest freezer, washing machine, and showcase chiller. We had around 39 years old and we have around 10,000 workers. Today, I will specially introduce you our refrigerators. For us, we had the refrigerator of single door, double door, the multi-door, like the 4-door side-by-side French door refrigerators, and have the no force type, defrost type. Now, we just walk around our showroom and have a brief view of our products.